Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a lawnmower here in the shop that is revving way too low. The RPMs are not even near what they should be. And what I'll be doing today is showing you how to properly adjust the RPMs on this lawnmower. So what I've got here is an MTD lawnmower with a Powermore engine. It's a 140cc overhead valve engine. And what I'm going to do at this point is start it up so you can see how low it's revving. Now what I did here is plugged in my spark tester because my tachometer here had a hard time reading the RPMs through the spark plug boot. So this way here I can just put it near the probe here and it gave me a reading. As you saw, it's way below what it should be. Usually I like to have lawnmowers set at 3200 RPMs. This one's running at least 1000 below that. So now what you need to do this repair is a ratchet and a 10mm socket and a pair of needle nose pliers. And you'll need to remove this 10mm bolt here. This cover will come off. Now that you've got the cover off, you're going to see a spring and a tab. This is the tab that you adjust to control the RPMs. If the tab is too low like this, it's not going to rev up as high as it should. So therefore what you need to do in this case is lift up this tab. It's going to put tension on the spring and the engine will rev higher. So what I'm going to do now is just grab the tab here, as you can see, and just slightly lift it up. So do this in small increments like I did. Start it up and check the RPMs. So it's still running a bit low at 2800 RPMs, so I'm just going to pry the tab up a little bit again. So it's revving at just over 3200, which is perfect. And if you have this tach, make sure you set it at 2.1 up here when you test these small motors like this. Now I've had a lot of questions about what tach I use in my shop. Well, this is the one I've been using for quite a while. It's the Easy Tach Plus 328. You can find it on eBay, Amazon, and all kinds of websites. And it's fairly inexpensive as well. And it does come with a wire that will attach to the spark plug wire, so you don't need to do like I did today here. And when you adjust the tab here, you may have to do it a few times until you get the proper RPM setting. You don't want it to over rev, because if it does, you can blow the engine. The ideal RPMs for this motor is 3200 RPMs, give or take a bit. And as you saw, it's quite easy to do. All you need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a tach. And now what you need to do is reinstall the cover. So now this mower is going to run at the proper RPMs. It's going to cut through that grass properly. It will not over rev as well to the point where the engine blows, and it's not under revving as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.